Hi, how's everybody doing? This is Mr. and Mrs. Silver Fox Forex. Today I'm back with another training video, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys another easy way to trade when you're on the charts, where you don't have to make it so hard. So as you guys remember from the video yesterday, we had this setup going. I'm going to see if I can change and do something different. Let me see here. I'm going to delete this indicator window. Leave everything the same, the candles, the 20 color change in moving average, and the 50 moving average. And I had gotten something from the marketplace, where you guys have market at the bottom of your screen. And I downloaded what's called HMA Trend. Now, you can use a number of different things when you trade. This is another thing I downloaded to make my trading easier for me if I didn't have Nelson's system. So we're going to drag and drop that on the screen here. I'm not going to mess with any variations up here, and I'm not going to change the color or anything. I'm just going to click OK. Now, too small. I don't like it. My arrows are good. Everything's good, but everything's just too small. So let's delete this indicator window. Go back, you're going to download the HMA Trend. They have a demo one and a paid one. I'm going to drop this back on the screen. Then we're going to go to colors. We're going to go to width. I want everything 4. Okay, now that's done. I don't want to change any levels. I'm fine with everything that's going on. Do I want the waterline? No. Everything's offset. So we're not changing any inputs or anything like that. Everything's going to stay the same. I'm going to click OK. Okay, that looks a lot better. Now, what I like to do is push this down a little bit here. And you can make it bigger. You can make it smaller. It helps. I've changed it before where let me see what 3 looks like. Again, this is another indicator you can get off the marketplaces to help you trade better. It's a lagging indicator, but it still should line up with what you're doing. It should line up with what you're doing on your charts and your screens. Everything should look. I like this a little bit better. So if you guys really look and pay attention, whether I raise this up, whether I like it better like this. Now, I want you guys to pay attention. I'll blow it up for you. If you guys look and see, everything lines up for a sell or a buy. I told you guys this in the previous video. Everything lines up no matter what indicator you use, no matter what's going on. Everything's lined up for you to take a sell or a buy. Look at this. It's a lagging indicator, but it was telling me between here and here, between this candle, which I'm looking at between here and here to get in, but it's telling me on this candle, when this candle closes, I should get in straight for a sell down. Everything lined up. See if I can get a clearer picture here. Everything from a buy. Everything from a buy. Everything from a buy. Now this right here breaks my rule of on or above or on or below. Even though it's telling you to get in here, I still need a better confirmation. So between here and here's where we get in and take that trade. But nonetheless, it's a lagging indicator. You can adjust. You can go in and change the parameters and make it fit your chart and what you're doing. But everything is lining up, ladies and gentlemen. This will give you the lagging indicator for a sale. Same thing here. You can get in here for a sale, and it's telling you once more right here for a sale. All the way down over here is putting you past the pullbacks and getting you in here for a sale. So as you guys can see, I took the awesome oscillator out and just replaced it with another indicator. You see the settings are 12 and 120 for the HMA trend right here. It's giving you the signals to enter and get out of trades. And it's pretty much documenting everything that it's doing. Now again, it is a lagging indicator. It may not be spot on point. After this candle closes, you'll probably get this arrow here appear, and this will appear, letting you know to get into the trade. So you have to know what you're doing. Lagging indicators work. You just have to know how to use them. Look at this. This is a good one. It did a pullback. It didn't tell you to buy. Didn't tell you to buy here. Didn't tell you to buy here. Didn't tell you to buy here. It waited till the candle closed on or above the 50 moving average, came back for a pullback, and everything went blue for the buy. Same thing here. That was a good one because it didn't tell you to get in back here. It told you to get in over here once these two had crossed. So you have to make your indicators work for you. You have to understand how to use them, how to read them, and how to interpret them. Now, again, you're the major key as far as interpreting the trades. This one is 3 pips. You have to come past the spread, so you probably won't make anything. But it's letting you know you need to get ready to get in a trade here. And what you're looking for is a clear picture. And like I said, a clear picture for me is on or above the 15 to 20 moving average. So for me, this is getting in here, but it's telling you back here, go and get in. When this candle closes, you get in. 20 pip stop, never went there. Up to the top here. Tells you to wait for the pullback. Tells you to get back in on this candle. So you have to know how to use your indicators. You have to know how to make these things work for you. Trading does not have to be hard, and we make it hard so many times. So many times we make it hard, and it doesn't have to be hard. So many times we do that, and it doesn't have to be hard. It is up to you to use what's best for you and to take something that somebody gives you and tweak it, make it better for you to understand. So we remove the awesome oscillator and we just use the HMA trend. We use the 20 and the 50 moving average. And look at this, it's giving you the arrow indicators on when to get in these trades. Trading don't have to be a million gaziggly wiggly lines up here and million dillion boxes and everything down here. This works just like I use the awesome oscillator. No different. When you guys see things like this, it's normally news. But look, it's just telling you for the buys. Get in here for the buy. Get in here for the buy. Pull back. Get in here for a buy. And sometimes it can be confusing because you have red in here. It told you to get in for a buy. It came down and went up a little bit, came back down, till you back in. So you have to still be careful. Indicators are not perfect, but for the most part, it worked. It's showing you your sell and your buys. And this because the trend is going down, letting you know that even when you get blue in here, these arrows are demanding that you sell. That's exactly what it's telling you, because everything is a sell pattern. Only here, when it starts to consolidate, it's still like a sell until it comes back on the side and does a reversal or a pullback. So you get in here, because it did a pullback, so it's letting you know you can get in. These things work. Trading does not have to be hard. You have to find what works for you. So this video, I'm not going to make super long. Just want to show you guys that with this indicator, it works just like the awesome oscillator. Okay, you get this from your marketplace at the bottom. You know, you can look it up. Might take a minute. You go over here, type. Now mine might be lagging a little bit. You might get a circle over here. Let's see if we can get into it here. So here it is, HMA trend. One's professional, costs $30. You use your credit card to get it or debit card or whatever, and one's free. They both work the same. Sometimes the free only works on a demo account and not a real account, but it should still work the same though. And this is exactly this right here what I have, and it works. It works. I'm telling you guys, it works. It's telling you right here to take this for a buy. Where this body close. Went sideways. Now it's going up 7 pips. Your spread is 4, so you're in profit. No different than over here. Look at this. Told you what to do for the sale. Pull back, sell. Pull back, sell. Now you might have to tweak it a little bit for your liking, but I think this worked pretty well. And you know, any indicator like this can work. You just have to make it work for you. So I hope this video was helpful. The next video, I'm going to change out this indicator at the bottom. I'm going to use something else. I'm going to use the MACD. I'm going to show you guys how you can use the MACD and the alligator and all that stuff to do the same exact thing. Take care and happy trading.